All right, my simple trading strategy to make your first 100K trading. This is exactly how. In this video, I'm going to explain the strategy in and out, every step of the way, blah, blah, blah. I'll show you guys how to do it so you can make money as well. This is one of my brokers. You can see USD Cash, 1 million. Like, this isn't even a lot of money. People are making way more money trading. So don't think I'm some sort of like genius. Like, this is just what works for me. And if it works for me, if I can do it, you can do it too. There's no reason why you can't do it. Because again, making 100K a month trading, like there's people out here making millions a month trading. So this isn't anything crazy, right? Don't think I'm some big fucking genius. You can do it too. So let's begin. Explain the strategy, how to do it, everything. Let's go. So does this sound familiar, right? You've tried Forex, you tried options, you tried futures, oil futures, gold. You tried trading gold, right? Gold, silver, maybe. You know, your uncle was saying silver is gonna go up, so you bought silver. You're not profitable right now. Sometimes you make money, sometimes you lose money, sometimes it's just stagnant. You're not really going anywhere. Your account isn't growing, or maybe you're just straight up losing money. Right? If this sounds familiar, there's a couple of things that you need to change. Now, this used to be me. Like a couple of years ago, this used to be me because I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. I traded whatever my friends would tell me to trade or whatever I thought was going up. I had no strategy. It was completely random and I just did whatever. If I heard on the news that Bitcoin was going to go up, I would buy Bitcoin. Like that's how I would make trades. I wouldn't have, okay, a strategy, this, that should happen and therefore we enter a trade. There's logic behind it. It makes sense. No, it would literally just be someone on the news said that Bitcoin's probably going to go up. That's why I bought Bitcoin. It was horrible. But this might be you as well. So we need to change a few things so that you can actually have a decent strategy, make 100K, and I'll explain to you the strategy that I use to go ahead and do it. Now, before that, quick heads up, free trading bundle. It has a free course, ebooks. If you're a complete beginner, it has a tracker as well, Notion. If you're a complete beginner, this is going to be super good for you. So go check it out. Link in the description. Go check it out. Now, what should you do instead? Right? What you should do instead is just follow my strategy because that's what fucking works. Now, what is the strategy? What are the 4 steps of the strategy? The first step is you need to find 10 stocks that are moving up daily. Right? That's very important, daily. We need a strategy that works day to day. We cannot have a strategy which works when Elon Musk tweets or when there's a full moon or whatever. Like we need to have a strategy that works on a day-to-day basis so we can start making trades. Because that's how you grow your account. You don't grow your account by trading once a month. You grow your account by trading once or twice or 3 or 4 times a week. That's how you grow your account. So that's the first step. Find the 10 stocks moving up daily. I'll tell you how to find them. The next step is to choose the best one. So once you have the list of the 10, you choose one of them that you think is going to go up the most. And step number 3 is to buy that at a good price. This is very important, at a good price. We don't want to buy when it's super high or any of the shit. We want to enter at a very good price. And then lastly, we sell. And we repeat this every single day. That is a fucking strategy. You see how simple that is compared to, oh yeah, but the inflation rates are going up and then that would mean gold and oil futures. Like, bro, just relax, right? Let's keep it simple. Let's actually make some money. Let's know what we're doing, right? So let's go through the steps in detail. Let's go through every single one steps in detail. The first step is to find 10 stocks. Like I said, you need to find 10 stocks right over here, moving up daily. So how do we do that? Right in front of you, you can see a gap scanner. This is like super simple. That's all you need. Once you have this, you're good to go. Now, a gap scanner is simply a scanner which searches the entire market, all 10,000, 20,000 stocks in the market. It searches that and it says, okay, which ones of them are gapping up the most? And you can see over here, it says gap percentage. This one, SNTI, is gapping up 229. This one is gapping up 62, 59, 52, 48. You see what I mean? And it ranks it by whichever are gapping up the most. This is what we need. This stuff like volume today, float, I mean, it's kind of helpful, but you don't really need it. As long as you have the symbol and the gap percentage, you're good to go. Now, again, there's so many ways to do this. The way I would do it is just go to TradingView, look at their stock scanner, search for gap percentage, you're good to go. That's how simple it is, right? Now, step number 2 is to choose. So once you have this list over here, this is the hardest part. You need to choose which one you're going to trade. You can't just enter all 10 at the same. I got a comment like last week. It said, should we enter like all 10 at the same time? So if I have like $400, should I put like 40, 40, 40 in all 10? It's like, no, because not all of them are going to go up. Only a couple of them are going to go up. So we need to select which one we think is going to go up, right? Now, I do this for you in my community. I tell everybody in my community, my watch list, I tell you guys which one I'm trading. So if you're in there, you know what I mean. But like I said, the next step is to choose. So from these 3, if you had to guess, if you had to say like, okay, which one do I think is gonna go up? Which one would you say? Is it this one, or this one? Like, take a guess. Now, if you picked this one, you're wrong. If you picked this one, you're also wrong. If you picked this one, you're correct. When the market opened, this one like went up. Now that we know that, like now that we know this, what can we see in this that these don't have? Or what does this not have that these have, right? Pretty much, why do we select this? A couple things to consider. The first thing is, look at these wicks over here. This one goes up, instantly draws down 50%, and then it just dies off, right? This one as well goes up, instantly. Look at this massive candle downwards, right? That is not good. And it kind of goes straight and then dies up at the end. This one goes up, maintains this level for a bit, goes down, comes back up, maintains it, goes back down. So already the price action is better over here. Second thing is volume. Look at the volume over here. It goes up a crap ton and then just dies off. You can barely see the volume, right? Here it's a bit better, but it's kind of still a bit low. Here you can see that there's a bunch of volume. There's a bunch of activity. People are trading in and out. So we can already say, like, boom, this one's the best one. That's it. That's how we choose. Step number 3 is to subscribe and like, okay? I'm giving you a bunch of sauce. Okay, well, for real, step number 3 is to enter. So we enter on a drawdown. Remember when I said we need to enter at a cheap price, at a good price? This is how we enter. We need to enter on a drawdown. We don't enter as soon as the market opens over here, right? We don't enter then because you're gonna lose a bunch of money. Or it's just too late, it's the wrong stock. You need to enter at a drawdown, right? Now, a couple of things. You need lots of opening volume. You can see that this has a lot of opening volume. If the opening volume came and it was like this much, like instantly forget that stock. But you can see the opening volume was a lot compared to the others. So we already know that yes, this is going to be a good candidate. Second thing, like I said, is a drawdown. You can see that, like I said, support level, right? You can see that it's kind of like this 440 area, it's kind of like bouncing off of it and it wants to go back up, right? This area is also kind of this one over here, this wick over here. So it's kind of the same level. So you can see it's bouncing off of this, which means this level is support. So we want to enter at a support level on a drawdown, right? And once we've entered, then we need 2 goals. The first goal is we need to make it go above VWAP. If it can go above VWAP, we sell. If it goes above VWAP, this line over here, the next goal is to exit at the pre-market high, which would be right over here, right there. That's it. Step number 4 is to take profit. So you can see that it kept going up and up. It blasted through VWAP, right? Did a pullback, bull flag, and went back up, and then boom. We sell as soon as it hits the pre-market high. That's it. From this one trade, you could have made 50%. 50%. Like, that's it. Now, if you had $1,000 and you had just one of these trades every single week, by the end of the first week, you'd have 1,500. End of the second week, you'd have 2,250. End of the third, you'd have 3,375. And by the end of the fourth, so a month later, you'd have 5,062. That's what I do. That's what I do every single day. That's what I do. That's what the community does. This is the strategy that's going to make you 100K. Like, this is going to be the one, bro. It's simple. It makes sense. We have logic. We enter at a good price. We sell. It just makes sense. This is going to be the strategy that's going to make you your first 100K. And this is the exact same method that I use in my community. So if you guys are still not in there, you guys should really come in here because you guys can see that we get some fucking crazy wins. This guy made 1,198. This guy made 628. This guy made 300. This guy made $23. People are making a shit ton of money inside. When you join, you get access to my watch list. So I literally tell you guys. I can't do anything more than this. I literally tell you the stocks I'm going to be trading. Hey guys, these are the stocks I'm going to be trading. I literally tell you. Like, I can't do anything more for you. This is the most I can give you. You also get access to my trade reviews. So every single time I make a trade, you can see all of my trades over here. Every time I make a trade, I literally make a video going through step by step why I entered the trade, what I could have done better, how much money I made, blah, blah, blah. I literally tell you guys everything, all the trades that I make. And as a bonus, when you enter, you also get a free beginner's course and you also get direct access to me on the DMs. So email me at thedrakerroom@gmail.com right now to join the community because I'm closing the group soon to just focus on the members inside. So if you guys want to get in before the group closes, make sure to email me at the email. Now don't forget, if you want to watch a video on how I made $72,120 in 1 month, click the video that just popped up. And again, if you're serious, you want to actually make a lot of money with this, join the community, email me at this email on the screen right now, and I'll see you guys inside. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.